Welcome. This is a video in the series, How to Rumble. In this video I will explain how to create a channel. Open the menu at the top right of the Rumble page. Choose in the menu, My Videos. Click on Create Channel. On this page you can fill in the channel name which cannot contain spaces, like flower fields. And the title which can contain spaces, like flower fields. Fill in the description of your channel. Select an image for your thumbnail. Select also an image for your backsplash. Click on Create to create the channel. Now the new channel is added to my channels. This is how the channel looks like. Back in my channels you can click on Manage. To add a video to the channel, click on the plus in the video. You will see a check mark now. The video is shown on the channel now. The photos that we used for the thumbnail and backsplash don't have the right proportions. Open the photo that you used for the thumbnail. Click on Crop in the menu on the top of the page. Click on Shape in the menu underneath the photo. Click on Square. Move the image so it fits well in the square. Save the image on your computer. We are going to change the proportions of the backsplash photo too. Click on Crop again. We need to crop it to a scale of 9:1. For this photo we crop to 3600 by 400 pixels. Save this image also. Back in my channels you can click on Edit. To add a new photo, click on the Upload button. Next to the thumbnail image, choose the square JPEG file. To add a new backsplash, click on the Upload button next to the backsplash image. Choose the banner JPEG file. This is how the channel looks like. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please give it a like and join my channel to watch more tutorials about how to rumble. Thanks again, and if you have a question, please use the comment box here below.